In section 4.2, we're going to talk about this Cartesian coordinate system. And we use this Cartesian coordinate system all through high school and into advanced mathematics after high school as well. So we have to look at our two axes. So I have our vertical axis, here our y-axis, and our horizontal axis, which is our x-axis. These two lines divide our space into 4 quadrants. And our 4 quadrants are numbered starting here, first, second, third, fourth. And that order is set, and that is convention for labeling points in each quadrant. Where the two axes intersect is called the origin. When we plot points, there's a specific order that we need to plot our points in so that we all are talking about the same point. So points are labeled, they're put in round brackets. Our first number, our x value, tells us how far we go left or right. It's our horizontal direction. Our second number, our y value, tells us how far to go up or down. That's our vertical direction. And the order here matters. So it's always left or right first, and then up or down. My pen doesn't want to write. There we go. So if we look at example 1, we have to plot these points on the grid below, and we'll label them. Notice that our points are all labeled with uppercase letters. So our first point is A, and the coordinates are -2, +5. So -2 tells me to start from the origin always, go left 2, and then up 5. Where we land is where we write our first point, point A. Point B is 2, 3. So we go from the origin always, 2 to the right, and then our second coordinate, 3, tells us to go up 3. 3 is positive, we go up 3. Part C is +5, so right 5, and then -3 tells us down. So a positive number in the first placement tells us to go right. A negative number in the first placement tells us to go left. A positive number in the second placement tells us to go up. And a positive number in a negative number in our second placement tells us we need to go down. So part C, we are going to go 5 right and 3 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3 down. And we'll label that one part C. All right, you take a second and you plot D, E, and F.